Well, students, topic of the video is geometry progression or GP. Here, first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. Now see that second term power of R is 1, in the third term power of R is 2, in fourth term power of R is 3. Similarly, nth term power of R is 8, n minus 1. So Sn sum up to n terms is equals to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1 or r is less than minus 1, and 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r when minus 1 less than r less than 1. If r equal to 1, the sum is divergent, or r equal to minus 1, the sum cannot be found. So for infinite series of S infinity is a plus ar square plus dot dot up to infinity, is that one equals to a by 1 minus r when minus 1 less than r less than 1. That one is divergent when r is greater than 1 or r is less than minus 1. Here r is common ratio, and that one is second term by first term equal third term by second term equal fourth term by third term, and so on. If A, B, C three terms are in GP, then second term by first term equal third term by second term. That one can be written as B into B, that is B square equal to AC, or B equals to plus minus square root of AC. Here B is geometric mean and A and C are extremes. And if there is first term is A and last term is B and there is n geometric means G1, G2 dot dot Gn, then B is n plus 2th term. If three terms are in GP, then terms are A by R, A, AR. If four terms are in GP, then terms are A by R cube, A by R, AR, AR cube. If five terms are in GP, then terms are A by R square, A by R, A, AR, AR square. Now see that if number of terms is odd, then common ratio is R. If number of terms is even, then common ratio is R square. If T1, T2, T3 dot dot Tn are in GP with common ratio R, then K into T1, K into T2, K into T3 dot dot K into Tn are in GP with common ratio R. Then if T1, T2 dot dot Tn are in GP with common ratio R, then T1 by K T2 by k, T3 by k dot dot Tn by k r in Gp with common ratio r, where k is not equal to 0. If T1, T2 dot dot Tn are in Gp with common ratio r, then log of T1, log of T2, log of T3 dot dot log of Tn are in AP with common difference log r. Why this is in common difference? Because from this part we can see that T2 by T1 equal T3 by T2 and so on. Taking log on both sides, we get log T2 by T1, log T3 by T2 and so on. So log T2 minus log T1, log T3 minus log T2 and so on. Now see that second term minus first term equal third term minus second term. This is R in AP, and common difference is here this one are R, T2 by T1, T3 by T2 equals to R. So log T2 minus log T1, this one equals to log T2 by T1, that means log of R. So they are in AP with common ratio, with common difference log R. In the next video on this topic we discuss sums on it.